Assalamu alaikum students. In this class we are going to study about the PCM, that is the pulse code modulation technique. It is the modulation technique which comes under digital communication. In order to understand the complete PCM technique, we need to consider the two block diagrams. One is the PCM generator, as you can see here, and one more is PCM receiver, see, as you can see here. Let us start with the PCM generator. Initially, the first block we have is a low pass filter with a cutoff frequency Fc is equal to Fm. So for this block, the continuous time signal or the message signal is given, where the signal is band limited to the message signal only. Means the signal is cut off by using the cutoff frequency, which is equal to Fm, that is the message signal. Means only lower frequency components are allowed and higher frequency components are rejected. Then that output is given to the sample and hold circuit, where the analog signal or the continuous time signals are converted into the samples. As you can see, this sample and hold circuit is working in synchronous with the timer. So this timer is used for obtaining the samples at discrete intervals of time. At the output of the sample and hold circuit, we get the samples, and these samples are given to the quantizer, where it is a Q level quantizer. They have mentioned it as a wrong Q level quantities. Actually, it is a Q level quantizer, where the number of levels assigned here is Q. Now that the signal X of NTS is given to the quantizer, where the signal levels are assigned in the quantizer and given as a XQ of NTS, that is the quantized signal, or basically quantized PAM signal. And you know what is PAM. And this quantized signal is given to the binary encoder, where this binary encoder output is in the form of binary bit streams. Means each word having the fixed number of bit streams will be there. Basically here we have mentioned as V number of bits. In each word we will be having V number of bits. So and this output of a binary encoder, it is parallel in nature. Means each word having more than 1 bits. So with the help of parallel to serial converter, we'll convert these parallel bits into the serial bit stream, so that it will be suitable for the long distance transmission. So this is the working of the transmit.